Hello students, now we look into the types of refrigerants. There are various types of refrigerants in use since the invention of refrigeration. The search for better refrigerants is an ongoing process. Some of the commonly used refrigerants, its properties have been discussed briefly below. First is ammonia. Ammonia is the oldest and widely used of all refrigerants. It has a normal boiling point at temperature of minus 33 degrees centigrade. It is soluble in water, produces high refrigeration effect, costs less and does not harm the ozone layer. Basically, it is a natural refrigerant. However, it is highly toxic, not miscible with lubricating oil, explosive, moderately flammable, irritating and corrosive. These food destroying properties makes it unsuitable for domestic refrigerators. But this type of refrigerant is used where its toxic nature is not considered seriously. Ammonia refrigerant is widely used in large commercial applications like ice manufacturing units, packaging plants, cold storages, etc. All the ice making plants in Karwar, Goa and all, they use ammonia as a refrigerant. Okay. And it has seen the application cold storage also, huge cold storages. Second is sulfur dioxide. This is not very much in use, but it was used earlier. Sulfur dioxide is a non-flammable, non-corrosive, absorbs a lot of heat in evaporation and dissolves oil well. It has high boiling point of minus 10 degrees centigrade, resulting in low refrigeration effect. Also, it is suffocating and possesses irritating odor. And in its presence of moisture, it forms sulfuric acid that is corrosive to refrigerator parts. Sulfur dioxide was used in domestic refrigerator in olden days, but now obsolete and no longer used. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a non-toxic, non-flammable, inexpensive and odorless gas. It has a normal boiling point of minus 77 degrees centigrade. It is nearly 1.53 times heavier than air and hence requires high operating pressures, thereby lowering the efficiency and the refrigeration. I can tell you the operating pressure is somewhere 90 to 100 bars. However, due to its low specific volume, the plant size has been made compact to be used in large ships, theatre air conditioning systems and similar such applications where space consideration is more important. Then comes freons. Freon group of refrigerants are highly efficient and overcomes the disadvantage of all the above refrigerants. However, these refrigerants were discovered to deplete the ozone layer, thereby making us for a search of new refrigerants. In freon, we had freon 12, that is known as R12. Freon 12, shortly designated as R12 with a chemical formula CCl2F2, dichloro-difluoromethane, is a non-flammable, non-explosive, corrosive and odorless. It has a normal boiling point of minus 30 degrees centigrade. It is used in small capacity equipment such as domestic refrigerators, water coolers, air conditioners, automobiles, etc. Then comes freon 22. Freon 22 designated R22 with a chemical formula CCHClF2 chloro difluoromethane has a similar property that of freon. It has a normal boiling point of minus 40 degrees centigrade, that it is about 10 degrees less than that of freon 12. It is therefore a comparatively high pressure refrigerant. Freon 22 is employed in large capacity plants like as packaged air conditioning units where the size of the equipment and economy are important. It is also used for low and medium temperature refrigeration. So freon 22 basically used for ACs and freon 12 was used for fridges. The modern refrigerants From the year 2010, only recycled or saved stocks of real refrigerants are to be used. It will no longer be manufactured. From 2010, last 10 years, we have stopped manufacturing Freon series. Okay, the modern refrigerants, hydrofluorocarbon (HFC), are the family of hydrofluorocarbons containing one or several fluorine atoms but no chlorine atoms, thus have no ozone depletion potential. Members of the family of compounds possess favorable thermodynamic, health and safety properties to be used as alternative refrigerants to R12 and R22. For example, R134A, known as tetrafluoromethane CH2FCF3, is a HFC compound with no chlorine content, is non-corrosive, non-toxic and non-flammable. It has a normal boiling point of minus 15 degrees centigrade. It is identified as a replacement for R12 refrigerant. R134A is a medium temperature application such as AC, air conditioning and commercial refrigeration. The refrigerant is widely used in modern car air conditioners. Other refrigerant of HFC compound include